I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I stand on the floor. I stand on the floor. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I step into the bathroom. I step into the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I dry my face. I dry my face. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I walk to my bedroom. I walk to my bedroom. I open the bathroom door. I open the bathroom door. I leave the bathroom. I leave the bathroom. I open my wardrobe. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look out the window. I look out the window. I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen. I open a cupboard. I open a cupboard. I take out the glass. I take out a glass. I pour some water. I pour some water.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing these verbs. See you next week.